All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
In a significant development for India's naval capabilities, the Defence Ministry is poised to approve a monumental Rs 70,000 crore order for warships, reported The Economic Times. These stealth frigates, said to be the most advanced ships built in India, represent a continuation of the Nilgiri class currently under construction. According to sources cited by ET, Mazago Dockyards Limited, MDL, and Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, GRSE, are leading contenders for the project, classified as Project 17B. Notably, these yards are already involved in the ongoing construction of frigates under Project 17A. MDL is engaged in producing 4 frigates, while GRSE is handling an order for 3. While specifics await confirmation after the Defence Ministry's clearance, insiders suggest the possibility of splitting the order between the 2 yards, mirroring the approach taken with Project 17A. Such a division is anticipated to accelerate delivery timelines crucial for the Navy's operational readiness. The upcoming frigates are expected to feature extensive indigenous components, including locally developed fire control systems, BrahMos cruise missiles, anti-submarine weapons, and cutting-edge electronic warfare systems. This order is poised to invigorate numerous sub-suppliers and vendors who stand to benefit significantly from the project's extensive subcontracting opportunities. MDL, renowned as one of India's premier shipyards, boasts an impressive order book, further bolstered by ongoing projects such as the Kalvari-class submarines and Project 15B-class destroyers. Additionally, the yard is on the verge of finalizing a contract for 3 additional Kalvari-class submarines this fiscal year, estimated at approximately 35,000 crore rupees. These advanced submarines will surpass the capabilities of the existing 6 Kalvari-class vessels constructed by MDL. GRSE, based in Kolkata, is concurrently engaged in the construction of next-generation offshore patrol vessels and anti-submarine warfare corvettes. The yard has also made significant strides in securing export orders, underscoring its growing stature in the global maritime industry. A defense official informed ANI that K9 Vajra howitzers, engines for the Su-30 MKI fighter aircraft, and several research and development projects are on the agenda for the Cabinet Committee on Security. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, is set to play a significant role in producing these engines, valued at around 20,000 crore rupees. HAL currently manufactures these engines for the Su-30 MKI combat aircraft at its Koraput facility in Odisha, which boasts a high level of indigenization. The Indian Air Force routinely acquires these engines for its planes, but due to the pandemic and other global developments, requirements have increased, necessitating a final decision post-election. The centre is also expected to review the proposal to purchase 100 more K9 Vajra SP howitzers in response to the Indian Army's request. Prior to the imposition of the Model Code of Conduct, the centre had already approved projects to purchase 61 close-in weapon systems and high-powered radars. The Defence Ministry, along with the Army, Navy, and Indian Coast Guard, has submitted proposals to the government for inclusion in the 100-day and 6-month agendas. Senior government officials have indicated that work on these projects will commence soon after the conclusion of the election process. Furthermore, large indigenous deals, such as the 65,000 crore rupees 97 LCA Mark I aircraft program, are progressing steadily. Understanding K9 Vajra. The K9 Vajra is a 155 mm, 52 caliber tracked self-propelled howitzer developed in India by Larsen & Toubro, L&T, leveraging technology from South Korean defense major Hanwha Defense based on its K9 Thunder platform. Initially intended for desert operations, the K9 Vajra was deployed in mountainous regions following the India-China standoff. To ensure optimal performance in extreme cold, the Army procured winterization kits for the deployed regions following the India-China standoff.